Leartiker's main goal within the CARDIOPATCH project is to develop 2 of the 3 products that will be carried out during the 3 years of the project. On the one hand, we will design and develop a 3D device for the transport and culture of the patches, and we will be designing 2 different sizes for 2 different patch sizes. And on the other hand, we will design and develop also a rollable device for the implantation of the patch in the infarcted heart in a minimally invasive way. Talking about the bioreactor, the actual CARDIOPATCH device is based on the already patented underwear device, but for this purpose it has been designed in a way that 4 different patches can be cultivated and transported in the same device. Among each component we can differentiate an optical silicone grade cover, where it has different ports in order to facilitate the introduction and extraction of the medium and also for the gas exchange. The second component of the device is the 3D printed base, that it has been designed in a way that 4 different patches can be placed, and also a silicone frame has been developed in order to fasten the patches once they are placed.
For the thoracoscopy surgery, we have developed a minimally invasive device. This device can be divided in 2 main components. For the one hand, we have a single-use articulated part where the patch is charged, and in the other hand we have a reusable handle. And in order to develop an optimum design of this device, we have been in touch with a surgeon team.